Alexa, open Sanjeev Kapoor recipes.
Welcome to Sanjeev Kapoor Recipes powered by Clove Chef. Our recipes here will be interactive, easy and with lots of fun. So let's find something delicious just for you and enjoy the art of cooking.
Let's make something awesome with Sanjeev Kapoor Recipes powered by Clove Chef. What would you like to prepare today?
Give me a Chinese recipe.
Cool. I have picked the top 3 Chinese recipes for you. Lotus stems, water chestnuts and mushrooms in sweet, dry vegetable Manchurian, and sweet corn crab meat soup. Would you like to pick one from these?
No.
Okay, here are 3 more. Shredded hot and sour soup, kung pao potatoes, and Chinese chicken sausage rice. Would you like one of these?
No.
I have found Chinese dishes that are spicy, mild or sweet, and more. Any preferences on the flavor?
Show me some chili recipes.
Cool. I have picked the top 3 spicy Chinese recipes for you. Dry vegetable Manchurian, shredded hot and sour soup, and kimchi. Would you like to pick one from these?
Yes.
Perfect. Which one? Dry vegetable Manchurian, or shredded hot and sour soup, or kimchi?